Morning, respected sir, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy and glorious New Year 2021. My name is Saurabh Yadav. I am an BTech second year student presenting before you to speak something. I will present my views on development on behalf of you. So let us start. And I will relate my topic with 2020 and our ongoing year 2021. So let's start. Actually, what happened when an individual is asked about development, that what is development? Then he may reply, he may think that what is development, how I can develop, what are the key factors by implementing which I can develop, or who is developed, who is undeveloped, how I can say that he is developed or I am not developed. So let us discuss on these topics. Actually, development is that when you are becoming stronger, bigger, greater, smarter, and finding some advanced ways of implementing something or inventing something, it means that you are developing. For example, the development for one person may not be development for another. It varies from person to person. Let us take an example. If I collect some persons of different categories, that may be a poor person, daily wage worker, that may be an businessman, that may be a rich family, that may be a boy or girl. If I'll ask a same question to all of them, that what is the development for you, or what is your daily basic needs or desirement, what do you want to gain, what do you want to earn in your daily life, then their answer may vary from each other. As businessman may reply that I want to explore my business, I want to add some new types of product in my list in the beginning of year or in this year, etc. But at the same time, the daily worker, the daily basic worker may respond that I only want a full day work with a high paid job, with a high paid salary, etc. And the poor family or poor boy, a poor girl may respond that I want full meal for me only. I want to survive, so give me meal only. And if I talk about the rich family, rich girl or rich boy, they may demand that I want full freedom. I want some expensive items like I want a new bike, I want a new car, or I want a new type of mobile phone. That may be anything. It means that that is depend upon income. Actually, income is that thing which plays a crucial role in the development of a human life. Income decides that what you have to do, or how you have to survive, or what should be your daily basic requirements. As I have told that income, actually income is that which a human being or which a person or which a businessman get in the form of bonus, that may be in the month, end of the month, that may be in the beginning of the month, or at any time. And according to that only they decide that, and they decide their strategies, that what I have to do, how I can invest my money at any field, etc. As if the family has high income, then their life will be surely easy and expensive, and they can unlock all their dreams to be reality as with the help of money itself only. As if the person is not that much capable, he is not too much rich, or you might say that his income is not that much, then the life will be really struggling and hard for him for always. As I can relate it with 2020. In 2020, after March 2020, there was lockdown situation. It was a very pandemic and critical situation after March, I thought so. And it was lockdown situation. So actually what happened in that, there were full lockdown all over the world, and it disturbs all over the world. It affected peoples of the world, many more. It basically affected poor peoples, and they lost their jobs, they lost their medium of earning or gaining the money. Now what they can do? Actually in that time, the situation was that they even didn't have money to buy their expensive or essential needs for survival. In that time, our government also helped them by giving 2000 bonus to all of them in their bank accounts, and also government provided free foods for all of them. That means that government also played a very crucial role in that situation, and it was very discussing thing.